To keep your space organized and your items in the best possible condition, new or aged, you will need storage containers. If you've ever tried to find storage containers, you know that there are thousands of options in every size, color, and build quality. With that in mind, we've selected some of the best storage containers to fit your storage needs, factoring in all the necessary considerations. Number 1. Iris USA 12QT Plastic Storage Organizing Container. Sometimes, you just need to see exactly what's in a storage box. This set of 6 clear plastic bins is the best storage container when you're looking for easy visibility. Measuring 16.5 inches long and 11 inches wide, their rectangular shape makes these containers great for storing many different items, such as sports equipment, guest towels, and other miscellaneous items. They'll hold 12 quarts and come with lids that fasten on with buckles. The lids keep out dust, making them a convenient pick for storing seasonal clothing. You don't want to wash before you wear it again. One thing to keep in mind is that their plastic material may not be your best bet for heavy items. If you own lighter items you want to stash away but can grab at a moment's notice, these bins are ideal. The built-in pull handle on bottom of the small plastic container makes it easy to pull the large plastic box container bin from any high shelves without any clawing or straining to get a grip on the bins. Why you should get it: these bins are easy to see through and come with lids, making them a great storage option. Keep in mind, the plastic material is lightweight, so it may not be ideal for heavy-duty storage items. Number 2. Rubbermaid 10-piece Brilliance Food Storage Containers. This super popular Rubbermaid food storage set passed our tests with flying colors. Not only did it have no stains or smell after our pre-wash, which wasn't the case with most of the plastic food storage containers we tested, but it was also intensely sealed, resulting in 0 leaks, according to our tester. The Rubbermaid Brilliance 10-piece Pantry food storage container set is able to achieve this lack of leakage due to the design of its lid, which features a rubber gasket to keep things airtight and 2 snap-on latches for extra protection from spills. This feature is particularly great for someone who commutes and likes to bring their lunch or snacks with them to work. Our tester was also pleased with the size variety available in this set. The extra tall options are great for storing spaghetti, while the tall container is good for cereal or dry beans. The mid-short container is ideal for leftovers, while the short options work well for dry snacks and homemade salad dressings. The set is microwave safe, including the lids, which have holes in the gaskets to allow airflow while cooking. It is also shatterproof, stackable, freezer dash, and dishwasher safe. Number 3. Brilliance Food Storage Container Set, with BPA-free Tritan snap-on lids, stain-resistant durable bases with 360-degree clarity, and 5 different convenient sizes to choose from. These versatile Rubbermaid Brilliance food storage containers are ideal for everyday use. What makes this set stand out? Not only do we love its easy visibility and convenient stackability, but its lids offer a leak-proof seal, and the clip areas double as vents for convenient microwaving without worry about splatter. And when it's time to clean the containers, easy peasy, because they're dishwasher safe. For nearly all of my adult life, I was simply getting Gladware or Ziploc, letting them slowly deteriorate over the course of a few months, recycling them, or losing them, and rinsing them repeatedly. It finally occurred to me to splurge on some good ones, exclaims one of the over 46,000 5-star reviews this set has garnered. They're super airtight. The plastic is crystal clear, and they've each been through the wash a dozen times with no particular sign of wear and tear yet. Usually by this point, the Ziplocs are cloudy, warped, have holes, etc., but these guys, they just keep ticking. Number 4. Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage Container. Brilliant for many reasons, these food storage containers are completely see-through, aside from the seal, stack easily and are perfect for taking on the go since they're light and sturdy. We microwaved spaghetti sauce to test stain resistance, and only faint marks were left behind compared to other plastic containers we tested. The set features a tight seal that snaps closed for extra protection but also provides ventilation when unsnapped, which makes reheating a breeze. They come in an assortment of sets and sizes, and some containers come with removable dividers, which make meal prepping and lunch packing easy. Rubbermaid Brilliance food storage containers feature secure latches that are 100% leak-proof and airtight seal, making these containers perfect for taking meals on the go. These customizable bento box-style containers are great for taking lunch to work or school and ideal for meal prep at home. All containers are BPA-free, microwave-safe for reheat only, top-rack dishwasher and freezer-safe. Number 5. PrepNaturals Glass Meal Prep Storage Containers. Are you sick of your fresh berries getting mushy once they touch your favorite yogurt or chia pudding? Keep things separated by using this smart glass food storage container with built-in dividers from PrepNaturals. Quick, easy, spill-proof snack prep. Check. I absolutely love these. They are a thick and durable glass just like Pyrex, and the lids have a nice airtight seal on them, said one Amazon reviewer. I'm highly impressed with the fact that they are oven and microwave safe without the lids on, while other food storage containers have leaky lids and chip easily. PrepNaturals glass food storage containers are made of durable, high-quality glass and use smartest locking lid technology, locking food in with an airtight seal for secure, leak-free storage. Take the hassle out of meal prep and portion control. Our 3-compartment portion control containers, the only ones on the market, are ideal for precise portioning, so you can put your meal plan into action. Our glass meal prep containers are microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe, allowing for quick preparation and easy washing.